All right, my DIY home sellers, thinking about selling your house without an agent? Well, let me tell you, it's about as wise as representing yourself in a trial. That's right, you'll be making mistakes on legally binding contracts faster than you can say objection. Sure, you might save a few bucks by not hiring an agent, but at what cost? You'll be missing out on marketing tools that draw in buyers, pricing and market expertise, essential negotiation skills, and in-depth knowledge of the fine print in contracts. And let's not forget the key factor of over and underpricing your house. You have to know how to set your list price, people. Do you really want to take all that responsibility on? I mean, unless you're a real estate agent yourself, it's like trying to perform surgery on yourself. Not recommended. So instead of going it alone, why not connect with an agent? They have the knowledge and experience you'll need on your side. Plus, they can help you avoid any unexpected twists or dramatic words in the fine print. So in conclusion, you guys, if you're thinking about selling your house without an agent, just don't. It's like trying to swim with sharks wearing a meat suit. Trust me, you'll regret it. So connect with an agent and let them handle the heavy lifting. Your wallet and sanity will thank you.